What's up, everybody? This is the third Brooksville car show. We are out on June 2nd, 2023. We're looking at some cool rides over here. Look at this cool truck. I got me what I was looking for. This is a 1968-69 Florida plate. Gonna put that on the Camaro. See what we got down there. An SS Nova. It's got a cool truck over here. Got a cool, I don't know what this is, an old Plymouth. Wow, look at that dashboard. That's cool. We got some old trucks. Look at this old Chevy right here, see? Everybody should put a license plate on there so we know what year it is, see? Like, look, that says 47 Vermont. So now you know it's a 47. Let's see here what we got here. Got an SSL Camino. A Jeep with nice wheels. Look at that wheels right there. Big block 396. Working cowl hood. Wow. Wow. 4-speed too. Nice. Rhino lining. Put a dirt bike back there. Got some old trucks. What do we got here? Model A. How cool is that? That's a stick shift too. Wonder what they got in here. Probably got a 350 hiding under there. Look at that grill. Wow. That's cool. Chevy Custom. Oh, remember this Impala? I remember the Impala days. Let's see here. That's a Chevy. It's like a 70 or something. Automatic. Oh, we got T-bucket. Let's go look at the T-bucket. Look at this thing. There's an eyeball in this scoop. What's up with the eyeball in the scoop? That's cool. What do we got here? 32 Ford. Love these running boards. Look at that. Look how it's like chop top in there. Fish scale. Very cool. Bullet hole. That's funny. Oh, look at this wheels right here. I think I saw this thing for sale. I think he's got this thing for sale. I would love these wheels right there. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for. He's got the old lantern tail lights. He's got the step over here. Kind of cool. A Ford step too. Would love that. He's got the shifter. See, for sale. This is the one for sale. It's got some cartoon. So this is what I need right here. I need a old antique mirror that glue on. That's what I need, number one. Probably these wind deflectors. Would like those. The blinkers are really cool. He's got the flathead. So this was a Mercury flathead. Ford made a flathead. And looks like you got to deal with those carburetors, and I'm out. But what would I like? I would love his leaf springs. I would take his chrome leaf springs on the covers. The little chrome arms. He's got the shaded headlight. That's kind of cool. What else? He painted his starter. And that's it. I like the wheels. Oh, what is that? Look at that. That's custom. Custom bed right here. This whole thing is custom. Wow. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, we got a nice motor hiding under here. Look at that chrome carburetor. That's the whole chrome manifold too. Look at that beauty. Wow. That's a nice motor right there. I want some 2 chrome carburetors like that.
It's a 94. My AC's on.
What do we got here?
It's a 94. It's the first year of the.
Oh, nice dashboard. Look at those gauges. What do we got here? An S10. We got, let's see what you got on this side. We got a Cobra. Oh, look at this thing. You talk about fatties? Look at this fatty wheel. And look at this thing. Look, it's got the jail thing. How cool is that with the red and blue lights on the top? That is the wheels I would love right there. Love, love, love. Look at this thing. Grenade. You got the beater stick. Oh, it's got the shotgun thing. Oh, it's not a shotgun. You got the reward. Oh, that's just cool. Oh, you got the drive-in thing. That's just cool. You got a little blower on there. You got the crank start. That's so cool. That is so Lakuchi too, paddy wagon. All right, what we got here over here? Got air condition.
What I like about it is it don't take many wires to it's not trapped. Yeah. Oh yeah, the stuff I buy, man, I can't.
Janet would love that color. What do we got here? We got a look, see, he's got a Florida 41 tag. How's my tag looking? He got the fish scales too. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. A Z11. Look at that. That is, you know that thing's fast. What we got here? A 63 Impala. Oh, this thing is nice. Wow. Look at this, the swap meet. The swap meet's huge. It's booming. It's early in the morning and there's 1,000 people here. A lot of people. Then we got the coolest cars over here, you know, especially the green Z28, the most rarest of rare right there. What do we got here? You got the Roadrunner over there and the Coyote. That's kind of cute. That is kind of cute. It's a 71 Beep. Very cool. So, here's the Camaro. We're gonna have to make a decision. Do we like the 1968 Z28 license plate or the 1968 Z plate? No, it says 1968 Florida plate. Oh man. So my second option is, look at that bad boy. If you didn't see in my car, it's so cool. The second option is I put it in the front here. Oh yeah, like that. Do I do that and not register it? Probably. All right, best day ever. See you guys on the next adventure.